Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is meribahMUA. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and you can follow me on social media at meribahMUA. Today, drum roll, we are going to be talking about a few of my favorite things for the month of March. No, for the month of April. Oh my god, can you guys believe it's April? No, I can't think right now. Can you guys believe that it's almost May? And then it's gonna be June, which means the year is like already gone. Like halfway. It's crazy. Anyways, so this is just some products that I've been loving, and it's gonna range from hair to skincare to makeup to workout clothes, because you know I'm all about that fit life. And if you're wondering, I do have a shirt on. This little guy. I'm not naked, so get your head out of the gutter. Alright, so if you like these sorts of videos and you want to see what products I've been loving or things that I've been loving, then keep on watching. Alright, so first we are going to start with hair, and then we'll just work our way. As you can see, my hair is very shiny and healthy looking. Yes, that can contribute to, you know, keeping my hair maintained with getting it cut every few months. Thank you to my wonderful hairdresser Anthony at Touch Up Salon in Chandler. But also, I would like to contribute the beautiful hair to Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Shampoo and Conditioner. Now, if you haven't heard about these yet, now you have. And comment down below, let me know if you've tried these, because this shampoo and conditioner is probably like the best shampoo and conditioner I've ever used. I had a sample and I decided to bring it with me on vacation because I only wash my hair like 2 to 3 times while I'm traveling, just because, you know, it's such a pain in the ass to like wash and dry and style your hair, so I don't really like washing my hair. Anyways, so I had the sample shampoo and conditioner packs that they sell, and my hair was like so silky, so shiny. Like you can see it right now, like how beautifully silky it is. And I know there's like a ton of different colors in my hair right now, but you can see it's just so shiny and it's so soft, and it smells so freaking amazing. So I freaking love this stuff. The only problem is this stuff is so expensive. For the 2 bottles, like if you buy the bottles together, it's $84, which is ridiculous for a shampoo and conditioner. But I don't know, if you don't wash your hair every day, or you only wash your hair like once a week, or you just use this for days when you have a special event or something like that, I mean, I don't know, I can totally justify this, because I just feel like having beautiful hair is so important. And yeah, so it's really expensive, but also you can consider when you shop at Sephora, they do have the VIB Rouge, VIB, and just Beauty Insider sale, and you get 10 to 15% off. And then I think in the holidays they do like 20% off, so I would definitely like save your money and buy this. Like honestly, you have to try it. It's amazing. And you can also just get the sample packs, and that way you are saving money too to just try it, see if you love it. But you guys, I'm telling you, my hair has never looked like this beautiful. Like it looks like I just went to the salon today, and I didn't. This is just from the shampoo and conditioner. It is that good. I'm not playing. And then the next product that we have is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Fresh Cut Split End Mender. What I really like about this product is you can use it on wet and dry hair. So if you have a day where you haven't washed your hair for like 3 or 4 days and your ends are just looking really dry from sleeping on it, you can put a little bit of this and then just work it into the ends, and it just kind of like repairs your hair and makes your split ends just stick back together and your hair just looks less damaged. I also like to use this in between haircuts, so it's been about almost a month since I got my hair cut. So I'll use this when my hair is wet, and then it just makes my ends look like they were just freshly cut because all the ends look healthy and they're together. I kept getting this in sample sizes from Sephora and then like Birchbox or whatever Sephora Play, and I finally bought the big bottle because every time I use this product my split ends just went away and they looked amazing. So this retails for about $24 I believe, and I definitely think this is worth it if you have dry ends or if you just want something to restore your split ends in between haircuts. I would definitely give this a go. The next product that I want to talk about is, since we have summer coming up, for me during the summer I like to be a little more tan. Right now I'm kind of fair because my tan is coming off, but I am a little darker than usual. I have a little bit of a glow. But what I started using at night was the Jergens Natural Glow Gradually Flawless Natural Looking Color Daily Moisturizer. This stuff smells like fake tan, like a motherfucker, so I would not wear this during the day, but at nighttime I would use this right after I got out of the shower, and then in the morning I just had a beautiful, like healthy, summery glow, and then a second night I used it, then the next day I looked tan. So I would definitely recommend this for somebody if you are just looking for a little bit of color but you don't want anything that looks too overdone or too much color. And this color is fair to medium, and I'm obviously very fair skin, and this will give me a beautiful olivey glow, and it looks very healthy. It's not really patchy or anything, and again it applies just like a normal moisturizer. But again, the only thing is that at night, you know, it reeks like fake tanner. So I would not recommend to wear this during the day because people are gonna be like, so I would just put this on at night, sleep in it. It didn't stain my sheets or anything like that. We have like a cream color sheet. It didn't stain, so, but if you have white sheets, maybe just fall asleep in like some, you know, long sleeve and sweatpants to avoid from staining your sheets, but I really like this. So something that I've seen all over social media and I was like super hesitant to try, but I finally like decided, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy it because it's at Ulta, and it's the Loving Tan, and you can see I've used it. And let me tell you guys, I was so hesitant, but the reason why I bought it, I was like, hey, if it's in Ulta, that means you have a return policy to back you. And I just thought this stuff was bullshit because of how many like influencers and Instagram influencers like promote this stuff, and they only show like just their legs or like a part of their skin and like something cut out to show like the color difference. And I was like, it just can't be as good as it is. So after I tried it, I bought 2 more bottles because I had 20% off coupon with Ulta, and this stuff is seriously amazing. So first off, when you apply it, you already look tan and it's not sticky. You let it dry and it doesn't transfer. It didn't transfer on any furniture or clothing, anything like that. And you just look like sun-kissed and summer ready, and it went on so evenly. And it said to apply moisturizer around your wrists and ankles, and I didn't get any of that weird like discoloration patchiness in those areas, because what I did was after I had rubbed it like to here, then I just gradually went down. Like you can see it's kind of like faded right now, but I am a little darker than like this part of my hand. You can see I'm a little more tinted here. And it's just starting to wear off after like 3 or 4 days. So I would definitely recommend getting this stuff if you haven't tried it. It's freaking bomb. I have not tried the Saint Tropez stuff, so I don't know how I can compare that to this. But if you are looking for an at-home airbrush looking fake tan where you don't have to jeopardize, you know, getting sunburn or anything like that, I would give this a go. I definitely recommend this. I went with the shade medium and it was kind of light. But if you want to achieve darker, you could just put it on 2 days in a row or every other day until you get the color that you want, or you could just go straight away into the dark formula. Personally, as being fair skin and having a pink undertone, I was not comfortable with buying the dark yet, but I think the next time I buy a color, I'll probably try dark and just play with it a little, see how it looks. So a skincare product that saved my skin while I was traveling and just kind of resurfaced, replenished my skin is the Peter Thomas Roth FIRMx Peeling Gel Exfoliant. So I used this stuff while I was in Asia, and I used it about 2 to 3 times a week while I was out there, just because I had so many dry patches. Like, your skin just really struggles from traveling, because when you're on the airplane for so long, it just sucks all the moisture out of your face, and I started like getting flakes of skin. Like, I get it really bad on my nose, and then I'll get it like a little bit like on my face. And every time I use this, it just sloughed off all of that like dead, dry skin. Yeah, it says visibly roll, lift, and sweep away dead skin cells when massage onto skin. Multi-action enzymes and cellulose help uncover a smooth, fresh, new complexion. Literally does what it says to a T, so definitely try this, you guys. I'm not kidding. If you like the idea of sloughing away dead skin, you need to try this. This is my favorite workout gear. And I think I'm gonna do like a whole separate video on this stuff. But these are the Gymshark seamless sets. So this is like the little crop top. And then you get these high-waisted pants here. And then you have the little butt cutout to give your booty a little extra oomph. And then it has this beautiful ombre all the way down. You can see my dog. Do you see her trying to get on the thing? Look at. Oh, good job! Good job, baby! Yes. She is so cute. But anyway, so this is the Gymshark Seamless Ombre set. And I have bought these in every color except for the all gray one and the purple and gray one. Because I was like, I don't want them. I'm good with just like the pink and gray and the blue and gray. Oh no, I definitely want them now. I want it in every color. This set is so freaking flattering, and the thing I like about this being like a crop top is you can warm up in this, like while you're doing your abs or cardio, whatever you warm up to, and then you can take this off and just wear a sports bra, and these like hug your hips so well, and they hug your butt, and they're so freaking comfortable, and this has a lot of give, so if you do like to, you know, be a little tighter here, this will stretch out more than like this will. And these hit you right, just right above the belly button. So I post a lot of pictures in my Gymshark outfits, and I just think they're so flattering. They just make your body just look amazing. Like, obviously, you know, whatever work you're doing in the gym is gonna help your body look bomb. But I think for gym clothes, this is super flattering, and it's, I don't want to say that it's super affordable because, excuse me, hey, come here, come here, baby. Sorry, we have people working outside. I don't want to say it's like super affordable because it is a little pricey. I think the leggings are normally like, I'm gonna say like $40 to $50. The tops are like $40 to $50. So for like a full set, you're like paying close to $100. But I don't know if you like do price compared to like Lululemon or Victoria's Secret Sport. I think it price points the same. Also, if you're a student, you can go through Student Beans and you can get a discount code. And then they also team up with some fitness influencers like Whitney Simmons, and you can use a discount code if you want to support that influencer. There are just some really good products, so I would definitely recommend trying Gymshark if you have not already. And then lastly, I want to talk about this Lancome lip gloss. This is the Prismatic Plump lip gloss. I got this as a sample from Influencer, which is a I don't know how to describe it. It's like a company that you can sign up with to try products. Just watching it right here, you can see how beautiful and shimmery this lip gloss is. And it is very like silky, and it doesn't feel like too chunky or anything on the lips. But it just has like a very nice sheen to it, and I like the glitter in it, but it's not super glittery. Like the glitter is very refined, and I just think it goes over like any color, or you can just wear it bare on your lips. And then lastly, another favorite I want to talk about are these jeans. Let me see if I can back up here. So these are the Fashion Nova jeans, and I think that these are so cute. Another thing that I saw online, and I wasn't sure if I would like them, but they look really good. And the thing I like about these jeans is they do have a little bit of stretch right here. So you can wear them as like, you know, high-waisted, or you can pull them down a little more if you wanted to, and then just kind of scrunch them a little right there. But I like how they're ripped, and they do make the booty look pretty good. So yeah, another thing that I saw online that I wasn't sure if I would like, but they actually turned out to be pretty amazing and worth the hype. So that's it, you guys. That is all of my favorites for the month of March and April. And I just wanted to update you guys on some products that I've been loving. And if you try any of these products, please comment down below. Let me know what you thought, or if you have questions about anything, feel free to ask me. Also, on your way out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can follow me on Instagram at meribahMUA. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.